Have you ever heard of Los Pollos Hermanos? It means the Chicken Brothers. This isn't just any chicken shop, it's a legend. The sign is bright yellow and red with two happy chickens in sombreros. The building is clean and inviting with big shiny windows. The smell of spicy chicken floats down the street, pulling you in. The chicken is famous. Crispy outside, juicy inside, golden brown every time. Everyone who tries it wants more. In a world of clay, thumbprint cars, puffy clouds, Los Pollos Hermanos shines under a bright sun. Its cheerful colors make it stand out. People drive their bumpy clay cars from all over just to eat here. What's the secret? Maybe magic, maybe a recipe, maybe both. Happy chickens, unique spices, and cooks who care. Consistency is the promise here. Every visit means the best chicken in the world. The two happy chickens on the sign guarantee it. Families laugh inside, sharing meals and making memories. The food makes you smile with every bite. Los Pollos Hermanos is more than a restaurant. It's a promise kept. The legend lives on with every crispy golden bite. Gus Fring is a man of precision and calm. Always perfectly dressed, his tie straight, his glasses polished. He moves through his restaurant like a king, quietly ensuring everything is perfect. He notices every detail, a crumb, a crooked napkin, a smudge on the window. Without fuss, he fixes it all. His clay figure is smooth and controlled, just like his personality. Gus stands near the counter, watching with a gentle smile. He greets children, chats with parents, and treats his staff like family. His calm presence makes everyone feel welcome and safe. Gus is the brain and heart of Los Pollos Hermanos. He's more than a business owner, he's a pillar of the community. He built more than a business. He built a landmark. Under Gus's watch, everyone feels like part of the family. That's the true secret behind the legend. The star of Los Pollos Hermanos is the fried chicken. Golden, crispy, and irresistible. Each piece is a clay masterpiece, served in a bright red and yellow bucket. The smell alone makes your mouth water. But it's not just the chicken. The curly fries, creamy coleslaw, and fluffy biscuits complete the meal. Curly fries, creamy coleslaw, fluffy biscuits. Every side dish is made with the same care as the chicken. Customers' faces light up when the food arrives. Families share buckets, kids get fry sauce on their cheeks, and everyone leaves happy. The restaurant buzzes with joy and laughter. So, what's the secret? It's the seasoning. A special blend of spices locked away in Gus's mind. A little spicy, a little smoky, and completely unique. No one else knows the exact recipe. This secret spice mix sets Los Pollos Hermanos apart. It's a flavor you can't find anywhere else. The magic ingredient keeps everyone coming back. Every bite is a taste of the legend. That's the secret in every crispy piece. The Chicken Brothers and Sisters are the heart of the restaurant. They arrive early, cleaning until everything sparkles. Gus insists on a spotless start to every day. In the kitchen, the team works like clockwork, prepping chicken, mixing batter, and frying to perfection. Each piece is carefully dipped and cooked until golden. The kitchen is full of laughter and teamwork. At the counter, Lyle greets customers with a big smile and quick service. Orders are filled fast, fries scooped, drinks poured, meals served hot and fresh. Even during the lunch rush, the team stays cool and efficient. They refill napkins, wipe tables, and keep everything running smoothly. The staff are proud of their work and know they're part of something special. At day's end, they clean up, ready to do it all again tomorrow. Being a chicken brother is hard work, but rewarding. The team is a true family, united by pride and care. Every shift is a dance of skill and cooperation. Customers feel the difference in every meal. The staff's energy and dedication make Los Pollos Hermanos shine. It's more than a job, it's a calling. The restaurant's spirit comes from its people. Their smiles and hard work are the secret ingredient. Together they create a place everyone loves. That's the life of a chicken brother. The food is delicious, but the real secret is consistency. Every Los Pollos Hermanos looks and tastes the same no matter where you go. Gus designed it this way, so customers always feel at home. This reliability builds trust and keeps people coming back. Training is another key. Every employee learns the Los Pollos Hermanos way, polite, efficient, and proud. Gus sometimes trains new staff himself, showing them every detail matters. The supply chain is tightly controlled. Gus knows where every chicken and spice comes from. Only the best, freshest ingredients make it to the kitchen. This careful planning ensures top quality every time. The brand is also a secret weapon. The two chicken brothers on the logo stand for family, tradition, and fun. People love the logo, it's become part of pop culture. The brand feels friendly and authentic, creating a special connection. Customers buy shirts and hats wanting to be part of the club. The strong identity makes Los Pollos Hermanos unforgettable. It's more than food, it's a feeling of belonging. That's the hidden recipe for success. It's why the legend endures. Walking into Los Pollos Hermanos is like entering a world of color and cheer. Bright yellows, reds and oranges make the space feel sunny and warm. Tables and chairs are simple, clean and inviting. The floor tiles shine, reflecting the happy atmosphere. Menus are clear, with mouth-watering pictures. The soda fountain and light fixtures add playful touches. Every detail is carefully sculpted, full of personality. The sounds, fryers sizzling, families laughing, orders being taken create a lively, welcoming vibe. There's no loud music, just the hum of happy activity. It's a place to relax and enjoy your meal. The environment is comfortable for everyone, young and old. Every corner shows thought and care. The staff's friendliness makes you feel at home. Los Pollos Hermanos is a claymation dream come true. It's Gus Fring's vision, brought to life for all to enjoy. What makes Los Pollos Hermanos unforgettable? It's everything working together. The bright sign, the delicious smell, the perfect chicken, and the springy fries, all part of the legend. The food is always wonderful, a taste you can count on. But it's also about the people, Gus's care, the cheerful staff, and their genuine smiles. Every visit feels special because of their hard work and warmth. The clean, colorful interior is safe and welcoming, a world of claymation cheer. Families gather, friends meet, and everyone finds a moment of happiness. Attention to detail makes it more than a fast food place, it's a community hub. Los Pollos Hermanos is a home away from home. It's earned its place in our hearts through quality, care, and community. The secret isn't just in the recipe, it's in the commitment to excellence. In our claymation world, it's more than a restaurant, it's a beloved legend. A simple idea, done perfectly, can become something truly special. That's the magic of Los Pollos Hermanos.